Business conductor. An orchestra conductor does two things listeners don't. 1. Hear each part separately. 2. Know what and how each part has to be played next. First-time listeners might already be able to hear errors when they happen, like off-key notes and rhythmic inconsistencies. Those who know the music already can anticipate the general melody and sound of the piece so it feels right when they hear the next phrase. But neither can do that clearly and precisely for each part ahead of time, so they can direct the orchestra for what happens next. A conductor can and does, and you should also be able to do so in your business. For that, you need absolute clarity, being able to hear each moving part and anticipate what's required for the whole thing to sound right. If you have ever seen a partitura of orchestral music, you know it's complex. You need to be clear about all parts and how they play together to convey what it's all about. Similarly, with your business and your idea, you need such a music sheet that tells you all you need to know about how to play successfully.